Alright guys, welcome to my channel. What we have here today is a 03 Toyota Camry. Today we're going to be replacing the lower control arm because the bush is all worn out. It's broken, it's cracked, you can see from there. Zoom in there. So we need to replace the whole control arm for that. So I went ahead and bought this control arm. It comes with the ball joint, the lower ball joint, and then the bush still new, still brand new. It's only about 55 bucks to buy it from AutoZone. The tools that we need for that job is a hammer, 32 millimeter socket, 22 millimeter socket in the wrench, 19 wrench and 19 socket, 17 millimeter socket, and then the power tool. Not forgetting this little baby here. This one will help loosen the bolts. So this car is 20 years old, and this is the original control arm that was there. It's gone for 320,000 miles now. So most of the things on this one here are really old, but it's a very reliable car. Well, first of all, have to take out the axle, CV axle, remove it so we can get access to a lot of things. We need to get access to that bolt there, and then the next one is that one there. There's a bolt right there, and then we have to remove the motor mounting. This here, we have to remove it to get to the third bolt for the control arm. So we need to get this off. We release that, but when we release that, we gotta have we have to jack it up. The motor, we need to jack it up a little bit so this can move. I will show you as we go. So we're gonna get started.